Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying your Apple ID and enabling iCloud contacts. This is essential because recovery uses that account. Once signed in, make sure you can receive the two-factor code on a trusted device or phone number. Now open iCloud. In a browser, or on a Mac, go to System Settings, Apple ID iCloud, and navigate to Account Settings. Don't skip the Account Settings step. The Restore tool's live there. After you arrive, proceed to the Data Recovery section to locate deleted contacts. Once in Account Settings, choose Restore Contacts and inspect the available archive dates. These are snapshots iCloud keeps for deleted data. You select the archive closest to when your contacts were intact. Be aware restoring replaces current contacts with that snapshot. If you want to be safe, export your current contacts as a VCF first so you can merge later. After choosing an archive, confirm the restore and wait. iCloud will process the replacement and send an email when finished, which usually takes minutes. When the restore completes, open the Contacts app on each device and make sure the list matches the restored snapshot. If not, trigger a manual iCloud sync by toggling contacts off and on in iCloud settings. Wait for merge prompts. If contacts are still missing, re-import the VCF you exported or try a different snapshot date. Sometimes an earlier archive contains the missing entries. If you can't access the Apple ID due to two-factor or lost devices, use an account recovery contact.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.